Hello, my name is Vitalik. We are in Moscow bar Mendeleev, and I'm glad to present you my cocktail, the Grape of Ras. This cocktail based on a perfect vodka syrup. I choose this ingredient because vodka is a traditional Russian alcohol. And if it's prepared by French, who is the best to production alcohol with grape, we will get a perfect vodka with unsurpassed taste and smell. The story of this cocktail comes from great novel of John Steinbeck. It says about Great Depression. As we know, it's a difficult time for French wine press too. And we must remember about one fact to opening INAO, who must control to production wine. And let's begin to the cocktail. The first ingredient, it's 20 milliliters of wonderful vermouth del Professor. It will open the grape taste. Then sheet piece of kiwi. It will give color for a cocktail. And one splash of sugar syrups to texture, and of course a great vodka syrup. And let's shake. It's wonderful. Smile. It's the best accompaniment of all cocktail. I think that all bartenders must remember about it. The cocktail is ready. I serve it with grape sheep because it's a symbol of main components, and bread with raisin. And a mousse of gooseberry, because the taste of this cocktail like to the combinates of taste. Please enjoy. And then I want to wish you that in your soul never matches the grape of Ras. Thank you for your attention.